Going to meet Terrence. He's a G4 implant patient, like me. He's gonna teach me how to fish. Wow, look at those teeth.
Like smile. I've had dental problems pretty much my whole life. Not really having that confidence to really hold conversations with people, and I paid like $4,000 for 2 crowns. So when the crowns started messing up, I had to do something.
I was getting quoted $60,000 to do these implants.
Right.
I started doing research, and I found G4 by Golpa. Friendly, awesome people.
Genuine.
It was unbelievable. I'd actually leave with my permanent teeth in 24 hours. Once I saw the milling machines, they take you to the lab, they do the tour, and I'm like, oh yeah. And the cost was lower.
It's the best decision I ever made, Jared.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, you look great. I got it. Oh, yeah, baby. I'll catch it. You clean it. It was a good day.
Who would have thought the city boy be the only one to catch a fish?
And look this good doing it, too.
G4, Golpa.
Life changer, man.